From its Gay Duyan Duyan 2011, ladies and gentlemen, here are our contestants. Parade of National Costume. Candidate number 10.
What you are and to become what you are, capable of the becoming is the secret of heaven and life. Every living soul has different talents, different desires, different faculties. Just be yourself. A glorious evening to each and everyone. My name is Bernadette Aviona del Rosario, a 23-year-old student taking a Bachelor of Science of Computer Science at the Baliwag University, Bulacan. And I came from the San Rafael, Bulacan. And tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of the one and only, the sweet, charming, beautifully captivating body, at ang babaeng minsan niyo pong nakilala bilang si Jody. Sa telenovelang inyo pong sinubaybayan hanggang huling Stairway to Heaven. Sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan at isinisigaw na taga-barangay Duyan Duyan, Project 3, Quezon City, Binibining Rian Ramos. And I'm proud to represent the Greek of Goddess, Greece. Homosexual as well. The fact we are all created of God. Therefore, we are all worthy of love and care. Good evening to each and everyone. My name is Hannah Nicole Estrella, 10 years of age, all the way from Project 3, Quezon City. And tonight, please stand me by the name, ang babaeng nagpatibo sa tingin ng puso ni Mr. John Ray Cruz. Ang babae po inyong sinusubaybayan bilang isang taong lobo sa immortal. Mga kapamilya, mga kapuso, sa mga taga-gagong baryo, Duyan-Duyan. Sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan ang babaeng uy. Ay, uy, ang ganda. Ay, bakla pala. Sabay-sabay po muli natin palakpakan ang babaeng hubasa ng tinawag na anghel sa lupa, Miss Angel Lockie. Ito ba? lalaki kung hindi ka sadyang tunay na babae. Mahirap rin po magpakalalaki kung hindi ka sadyang tunay na lalaki. Ngunit ano po ang silbi namin ikatong lahi kung hindi nyo kami tuturin bilang isang tao? Baklaman kami sa inyong paningin. Bakit hindi niyo po kami subukang mahalin? Kapag hindi kayo lumigaya sa aming mga piling, sa kanya po kami limutin. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our own land, the Miss Garden 2011. My name is Leia Marie Madrigal. I am 23 years of age, donor to health. Of course, from Project 2, Quezon City. But this evening, please do allow me to stand by the news. Ang kasama niyo po sa Friday, kasama sa Bubble Gang. Ako po, si Binibini, Murin, Narasabang. Ang isang kataga, ang sabi ng mga kalalakihan, kami daw pong mga bakla ay manananggal. Manananggal ng lakas nilang kalalakihan. Ngunit, hindi nila alam na silang mga kalalakihan ay manananggal din. Manananggal ng khas naming mga bading. Once again, nabuhay and living.
Number 3, candidate number 4.
Morning. Did I capture your attention? Good evening. If there are certain shade of state girl power, seek out all of you guys to internalize the gay power. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, standing in front of you, a granddaughter of Cardinal Sin in a father's name, Saddam Hussein, and my favorite food is intestine, most especially Betfasin. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, standing in front of you, my name is Susmetasin. Once again, please have it here. I welcome candidate number 5. From 7,107 Fiesta Islands of the Philippines. Good evening, mabuhay, kumusta po kayo? My name is Nadie Marie Fernandez from Project 4 Quezon City. I'm 21 years old stunner, and for tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name para sa babaeng minsan yung hinangaan sa Mexico novelang Marimar. Ang babaeng minsan yung sinabayan sa pagsisid bilang si Jezabel. Opo, ako nga po ang bago niyong pakakasama pinakaabangan bilang si Amaya, ang inyong tagapagligtas. Opo, ako nga po si Binibining Marian Rivera. Nagsasabi, kapag mahal mo ang isang tao, ipaglaban mo habang maaga pa. Dahil kapag gabi na, malamang tulog na siya. Maraming salamat po sa mga.
Thank you very much, candidate number 5. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 6. It is too easy to be born a man, but it's too hard to live like a real man. Naimbag arabi ikada kayo amin, or should I say, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Standing before you is a 19 years of age sonner, a student of Bachelor of Science in Architecture at the University of the Philippines, Baguio City. And if other candidates used to have their own screen name, mine tonight is, please allow me to stand by the name of ang babaeng bumihag sa puso misa ni Mr. Luis Manzano. Ang babaeng minsan nagsabi, hindi sa talang nasa langit, kundi sa buwang nakasira. Hindi dahil ang hiling ng batang nakasira. Ang inyong pinakamamahal si Laika at nagbabalik bilang si Lia sa Immortal. Ang inyong pong pinakaabangan gabi-gabi, Miss Angel Locsin. Saying and believing that the morality of a person is seen through his words and actions. People of Barangay When without ambition, it's like a rolling stone without a destination. Well, may gabi sa internet, or should I said, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Studying here in about a few years of 90 years of age, all the way from Project 3, Quezon City, Barangay Claro, and my real name is Ia de la Pesa. But tonight, please do allow me to sign by the name of Miss. Ang babaeng minsan ay patibog sa pihigang puso, si Mr. Jeff Eigelman, ang pinayro sa linda ninyong lahat. At kung inyong inaabangan bilang sa Magic Palayok, si Binibining, sabay-sabay po natin palapakan, si Miss Binibining, Carla Abellana, na nag-iiwan ng mga katagang, kung ang mga kalalakihan ay binisagang at silog, at kung mga kababaihan naman ay binisagang ham silog. Pero kami na po mga kabaklaan ay binisagang chick silog. May chicks ka na, may itlog ka ba? Thank you and good day.